Hello, my name is Robin. I'm 5th grade in Dongbyang Elementary School. I will introduce about Roscoe Riley, number 7. The main character is Roscoe Riley. He believes good luck and bad luck. At school, Mr. Page told him that a giant pumpkin is tall as Roscoe's dad and big as Roscoe's dad's car. The contest is about guessing the pumpkin's weight. And the prizes are lots of books and candies, enough to fill the pumpkin. At bookstore, their family met a black cat named No Name. He saw a giant pumpkin and guessed this pumpkin's weight. He went again to the bookstore and guessed and write 964 kilograms. And he met No Name again. He thinks that No Name is a bad luck, but Roscoe Riley was a winner. He came back to the bookstore. He pulled a pumpkin, and pumpkin rolled under the hill. The pumpkin destroyed, and after the accident, Roscoe's family decided to raise No Name, and No Name changed name. It is Bitsy Boo. Roscoe thinks Bitsy Boo is not a bad luck. My favorite part was when pumpkin was destroyed. I think Roscoe is a fun student. Thank you for listening.